So we are getting new phones today. Right, babe?
Yay.
Yay. Hey y'all, so I wanted y'all to be a part of this get ready with me. Super excited to do this. I've never really recorded myself doing my makeup on camera for you guys, so I just wanted to show y'all what's going on before we go get the phones. So I put my primer on, that is from Il Makiage primer, and then I went in with this e.l.f. brow gel. First time, y'all, first time using that, and I mean it kind of gave what was supposed to be given. Then I went in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, did my big one there. I love Fenty Beauty foundation. I find that one works best for me. Then I went in with my NARS to conceal my brows, and then I went in with my Sephora concealer just to kind of make it look more natural, because sometimes the NARS concealer shade is a tad bit too bright. Now I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Love it so much. Now, this is my first time trying blush, and I was so scared, y'all. I was like, what the fuck? Like, at first, I was like, oh, no. Like, y'all gotta look at my face. Look at my face, y'all. I went back in with some powder and like toned that shit down, because I'm like, this is giving not me. Like, I'm not feeling it. But once I kind of did the powder, I was feeling it. Like, your girl was looking good. All right. Like, I think I'm a blush girly now. I think I am. And I went in with the lip liner and the lip gloss and did my locks. And you know what I'm saying? A vibe. A vibe. A baddie. Shout out to my man in the background. Period. Definitely time to get new phones. His definitely, mine like mine is a little bit broken, not too much, not too much. I like his, but yeah, we're gonna go get new phones today, and my camera's gonna die. But yeah, the move is soon, so before we do our big move, we wanted to go get new phones because our phones was fucked up, and change our carrier, because the carrier where we're moving is like the better carrier to have. But we are both really excited about moving. It's a new experience for both of us, so yeah, we're excited. I'm very nervous. I didn't start packing. I'm going to start packing probably next week, between next week, and then I'm a last minute person, so I feel like I might just start packing at the very last minute. So as far as packing, I don't have too many things that I need to pack. Do you, babe?
I got a lot of stuff to pack.
Okay, yeah, he has a lot of stuff to pack, but I don't. That's probably why I'm waiting till like the last minute. Okay, so we just came from Verizon.
Yeah, I got that shit on me.
We got new iPhones. I got the 16 Pro. He got the 15 Pro Max.
I'm unboxing while I drive.
He's unboxing his OtterBox phone case, the Pro Defender, because he needs that, because he drops his phone all the time.
I'm trying to say I'm a pedophile, because why is the end of that Defender?
He drops his phone all the time, so that is needed. I got the cutest phone case ever. I don't know what kind of you would call it, but the color changes based on like perception or something along those lines. But it's so cute. Yeah.